What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, so I'm out here in the center of Suzhou and it is nighttime right now. So I've made so many videos about Suzhou and the beauty of Suzhou. One thing is that Suzhou is also very beautiful at night. So today I'm just like taking videos, making videos at night. I'm just trying to capture, you know, the beauty of the Suzhou nightlife and giving you the flip side, the different experience than what you would normally have in the daytime. So hope you enjoy and stay tuned. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching the video. If you liked it, make sure you give a thumbs up and tell me about, you know, what you think about the video in the comment section. I really appreciate that. And also subscribe, because lots of people who watch my channel aren't actually subscribed. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the way out, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching the video. So yeah.